Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across a message that says the Windows resource protection could not start the repair service. So if you are trying to run the system file checker utility scan and you're coming across this message, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, should take command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to type in NET space start, START, space trusted installer. Exactly how you see it on my screen, no spaces in between trusted and installer. So again, net start trusted installer, hit enter. So now if you attempt to run the system file checker utility scan, it should run successfully. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.